Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zoom on your PC. Now, there are a few ways how you can go about doing that. You can either go to the official website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will find downloads. And you can click on that and you can easily go ahead and download Zoom on your PC. As you can see right here, it says Zoom Workplace for Windows. Go ahead and choose whether you're using 64 32-bit. I'm going to just choose, for example, a 64 one. It's also available on your mobile devices as well, so Android and iOS devices. For the purpose of this, I'm going to do it for the PC. I'm going to click and download this one, and you can see right away that it finished download. So I'm going to click on that on the upper right and allow this to quickly install on my PC. As you can see, it's initializing right here, and the process is pretty fast and pretty straightforward. In the meantime, I'm going to just simply head back over to my account. So if I click my account on the upper right, I can even head into my settings and I can even download the center right here, as you can see from my account. But yeah, once you download and install it on your computer, guys, you will see that you have Zoom available on your PC. As you can see, it is done successfully. I can click and done right here. And in order to sign in, just simply click on sign in right here. You can choose your account. Again, I'm going to choose Gmail as that's what my account is created from. Select my email right there, click and continue, and it's going to load me right back into Zoom. As you can see, it pops up in the browser and say open Zoom meeting, and it's going to open up the application as well. You will see there, and yeah, it's going to log me right into my account, and this is what it looks like. And so once you have, for example, Zoom, let's click on allow right there. Once I have, for example, Zoom on my PC right here, you can see that I can now even pin it to my taskbar by simply right clicking that, click pin to taskbar right here. And so when I close Zoom, for example, and ready to open it, I have it right in my taskbar, ready to basically access and click of a button right there. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can download and install Zoom on your Windows PC or laptop.